So hair texture is identifying what your hair type is. Are you straight, wavy, curly, coily, kinky? Now it's also part of, do you feel fine? Do you feel medium? Do you feel coarse and thick? Hair texture really plays a key role in maybe identifying what level developer you need. If you need low and slow because you have fine, fragile hair, or if you want a little more power because your hair texture, density, and type is a little bit thicker. Fun fact about hair that you didn't ask for, but I'm gonna drop in your knowledge bank anyway. There are only three, yep, 1, 2, 3 ways to transform one hair fiber. What do you mean by transform, Gregory? I mean like change it. Like take it from straight to wavy, or brown to black, or blonde to pink. There's only 3 ways, and that is through heat. That's right, flat irons, curling irons, hot rollers, pressing combs, whatever it is, heat can break hair and change and rearrange the bonds. Chemicals, so we're talking hair color, perms, relaxers. That's a way to break open that cuticle and shake around this cortex. And also water. Curly girls, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. If you've ever had a blowout, you walked out, and all of a sudden the moisture is coming, clouds are arriving, you know what I'm talking about. This is when you run for the car because bing, she's gonna come back. So those are the 3 ways that you can transform hair. That's it.
Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. I can teach a class when my hair is pea.